I want to get my ball. Ouch! My leg hurts. My leg hurts so much. Mom! Mom! My leg hurts! Help me, Mom!
Oh no! What happened? Where does it hurt?
My leg hurts. I cannot move it. It hurts so much.
Sit still here. Wait for Mom. I need an ambulance. My son hurt his leg badly. Don't worry. We will take care of you. Keep pushing. Fast, right this way. Does it hurt? Almost there. Be careful, he's in pain.
The X-ray shows that his leg is broken. We will put on a cast, and he needs to stay for 1 week.
Oh my God. Thank you, doctor, for helping my son.
You're very welcome.
My leg feels itchy. I am so bored. They can play outside, but I have to stay here. Bill, the doctor will come in 15 minutes. Okay. The doctor will give you an injection. No! I am scared. I do not want an injection. I need to run away from here. Bill, are you okay? I will stay with you today. It's time. I am bored. I do not want to stay here. Anna, do you want to be my driver? I can sit in the wheelchair, and you can push me. But is it okay with the doctor? Yes, it is okay. The nurse said I can use it. Really? Okay, let's go. I need to go fast before the doctor comes. Anna, you are too slow. Driver, go faster. Okay, I am going faster. Anna, go faster. We need to go now. Anna, faster. Woohoo! Faster, faster. Watch out. Yay! Be careful. There is an old man ahead. We are sorry.
Are you okay?
Can we help you?
My hand hurts so much.
Anna! Look! There is a nurse.
Oh no! My medicine cart! I'll help you. We can help.
Anna, go! We have to go faster!
Keep going, Anna. Do not stop.
I am so tired. I need to rest. Oh, thank goodness. We got away. What are we getting away from? The doctor is going to give me an injection. I was scared. What? Why did you not tell me? I will take you back inside. No, I really do not want the shot. Let us stay here for 1 hour. Maybe the doctor will leave. Bill, we cannot hide here. We need to go back.
Where is Bill? His bed is empty.
He was here a few minutes ago. We need to find him now. Doctor! I saw the girl pushing the boy in a wheelchair all over the hospital.
Call their mom and dad right now.
Ouch! My leg hurts. It hurts so much. What happened? You did not hit your leg.
I will take you back to the doctor.
No! I do not want to see the doctor.
Attention everyone. We are looking for a boy named Bill. Please tell a nurse if you see him.
Oh no! They are looking for us.
Bill, there you are. Come back to your room now, Bill. No! I do not want to go back. My leg hurts so much. Help me, please. Let me help. Hurry, we must see the doctor.
Wow, my leg does not hurt now. Doctor, that is amazing. What happened?
It is pain medicine. It helps your leg feel better. When the medicine wears off, your leg may hurt again. Now, who let you two take the wheelchair and run? You ran in the hospital and caused a lot of trouble. A patient got hurt, and a nurse fell down because of you. Do you know that running here is dangerous?
I am sorry, doctor. I was wrong. I also lied because I was scared of the injection. I am sorry, too. I should not have pushed so fast. We will be more careful next time.
Okay, now get some rest.
Thank you, doctor. Anna, look. That is the older patient from yesterday. We should go and say sorry to him. Yes, we should. Hello, sir. How are you today? Are you okay? Did you get hurt yesterday? We are very sorry for hurting you.
It is okay. You know your mistake now. Be careful next time.
Thank you, sir. We will be careful.
It's all right. Just be careful.
Look, Anna. We are almost outside. The fresh air will be nice. Yes, I want to sit outside. Wait, look over there.
That is the nurse from yesterday.
We are sorry for making you fall yesterday.
It is okay. Just do not do that again. Here are 2 bananas. Eat them and get well soon.
Thank you, nurse. Maybe staying in the hospital is not so bad. Yes, it is not so bad. I am a little nervous today.
Are you ready, Bill?
Yes, doctor, I am ready.
Okay, let us take off the cast.
Now, stand up slowly.
Slowly, Bill. I am here.
I can walk. I can really walk.
Look at you. You are walking again.
Mom, I am so happy. I can walk again. Thank you, doctor, for helping me.
Thank you, nurse, for taking care of me. You are welcome. Take care.
What lesson did you learn from Bill's story today? Tell us in the comments. If you enjoyed this story, subscribe to our channel and learn English with us. Bye-bye. See you later.